Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. One of the most commonly replaced parts on a front loader washing machine like this one is the door seal, sometimes called the gasket. It obviously gets wet during every wash cycle, and water can often get left sat at the bottom there, and eventually that can cause the seal to perish and leak. So if you've got water leaking from the front of your machine, do check the seal. That is the most likely cause. So I'm going to show you how to replace the door seal on this Bosch WFL 2260 model. Everything may be laid out slightly differently on your make and model, but it should give you a good idea of how easy it is to replace a door seal. Now, safety first. Do make sure that you're unplugged from the mains before you do any work on any electrical appliance. To replace the door seal, we need to remove the whole of the front of the machine, and to do that, I'm going to start by taking off the top panel. So we've just got a couple of screws here holding the top panel on. They're Torx head screws, and you can get a full set of Torx bits on the eSpares website. I'm actually going to use a Torx bit on an electric drive to speed things up. Okay, so that's the top panel off. Just need to take out the soap dispenser. That just clicks open like that. And now I'm going to take off this fascia. Now I've got one screw on this side to undo and 3 screws over here. Do keep these screws separate because they're stainless steel so they don't rust. So the fascia and the control panel there, I can just pop that on the top. And this kick strip or kick plate just clips away, the drain hose there. Just pop that to one side. Now I just need to remove this retaining clip which is holding the door seal against the front of the machine. Lots of different ways that these retaining clips work. This one just pops off like so. Just get the door seal and push it inside like that. Now I've just got 4 screws that are now holding the front of the machine on. They're there, and these 2 on the door interlock. So now I can pull the front of the machine and the door completely away from the machine. Now this model has this large counterweight going all the way around the drum. If yours is like this and you don't feel you've got enough room to work, then it's probably a good idea to remove that counterweight. I think I've probably got enough room to be able to get the old seal off. You should be able to see that there is a spring retaining band going all the way round. I should be able to just work that off and pull the whole seal away. So there we go, I've got my old seal, I can throw that away. My new seal, and I'm going to keep the retaining band. Now when it comes to putting the new seal on, I've got to look for these drain holes. They need to be positioned at 6 o'clock. And then it's just a case of working the new seal onto the drum as best you can. There we go, so that's the new seal in place against the drum all the way round. Just check the drain holes are still down at 6 o'clock. That's great. Now, all I've now got to do is to get my retaining spring and put that back into its little ridge. Just give it a final check. That's great. There we go, that's my new door seal fitted. Now all I need to do is to start putting everything back together again. So now I just need to get the door seal and attach it to the front of the machine. Just need to work your way around, making sure it goes over that lip. There we go. That's on all the way round. Now I'll just take my retaining band and put that on at the bottom and sides. There we go, that's done. There we go, new door seal on this Bosch washing machine. Door seals are available for all makes and models of washing machine on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.